It's hard to believe, but summer break is almost over.
And it's time to get ready for a new school year.
Hi, I'm Parker Ava.
And I'm Ava Berryhill. We're here to tell you about our amazing elementary schools in the Cabot School District.
First, we'd like to introduce to you to our wonderful principals.
Central Elementary Administrators Bethany Hill and Amanda Picard.
Eastside Elementary Administrators Jill Fletcher and Carol Skibba.
Magnus Creek Elementary Administrators Kelly Bankston and Kelly Riggs.
Mountain Springs Elementary Administrators Mandy Watkins and Tori Harrison.
Northside Elementary Administrators Susie Kelly and my mom, Miriam Berryhill.
Southside Elementary Administrators Stacy Allen and Melissa Furry.
Stagecoach Elementary Administrators Pam Wilson and Haley Beaver.
Ward Central Elementary Administrators Andy Sullivan, Kim Griffin, and Frankie Glover.
Westside Elementary Administrators Sherry Jennings and Michelle Atherton.
Cabot Learning Academy Administrator Joanne Blaylock.
Our principals are so excited to meet you and get another great year started.
We're excited too. Postcards from your child's teacher will be mailed out early August.
Open house will be Thursday, August 9th from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. The time you should be there depends on your last name.
A through G is from 5 o'clock to 5:30 p.m. H through M is from 5:30 to 6 o'clock p.m. N through S is from 6 o'clock to 6:30 p.m. And T through Z is from 6:30 to 7 o'clock p.m.
Parents, don't worry about buying supplies. There's a $25 supply fee that includes a t-shirt. The fee can be paid at open house or the first week of school by cash or check.
You can also pay online. The online payment store can be found on your school's website. The link is also on the district website under Resources for Parents.
Want to know about buses or car rider lines? All of that's available at open house too. You can also go to the district website, cabotschools.org, and click on the bus stop icon at the top of the page.
What about lunch? During the open house, you can put money in your child's account to pay for breakfast and lunch. Or you can do it online. Just look for the Easy School Pay under the Quick Links section on each school's website.
Also during open house, you can fill out forms for free and reduced price meals. Or you can apply online by going to the district's website.
All of this information can also be found on our awesome Cabot School District app. Don't forget to download it. It's free and it has the latest school news. Now remember, the first day of school is Monday, August 13th. Doors open at 7:30 a.m. The first bell rings at 7:50 and the tardy bell rings at 8 o'clock. Don't be late. School dismisses every day at 3:20 p.m.
And this is very important. If you have a child who will be in kindergarten, is a new student, or a returning student, you must register them online. Click on the student registration button on the top of the district homepage.
For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
We are so excited for the new school year.
Have a great day.